street dogs, you want to be careful because it's still food. What we do is we pack the back of the car with dog food that's nutritious, that's healthy for them, and I take a handful, just a little bit at first, to see if they're actually going to eat it, because some street dogs won't even eat dog food. They will just eat street food or people food because that's what they're used to. So I put a little bit down, see if they like it. If they enjoy it, I'll give them more, basically until they're full. You still have to be careful with street dogs because they are animals, they get territorial, especially over food if there's more than one. So we want to be careful. We also don't want to get bit. It can happen because they're excited, there's food. So I try to put it down in a little pile a few steps away from them and let them see. You can assess if they're going to be an aggressive food eater, or just give them the opportunity to see if they even like it, and then we can continue from there. Hi, I'm Lauren Antony Grogan, the founder and creator of Passport Inspired. I have personally spent the last 12 years traveling around the world, visiting all 7 continents and many countries. Through all of my travels, I saw a strong need for help for animals around the world. In many countries, a lot of animals are suffering. They live on the streets, they live homeless, they're without love, without a family, without proper nutrition, without food and clean water. In a lot of these countries, these animals also are very vulnerable. They have never seen a veterinarian, they've never had any kind of health care or help. My personal goal with Passport Inspired is to not only inspire others to help animals around the world, but to also personally feed and take care, provide love and friendship to every animal we possibly can around the world, especially those in need. Through traveling, my goal is to raise awareness about these important issues and help end suffering to animals around the world. In Mexico alone, there are over 20 million stray and homeless animals. Even though many local people here do love their animals, their pets, their cats, their dogs, it's very hard because of poverty here in this country for them to get the proper nutrition, food, care, clean water that their animals so desperately need. Unfortunately, due to poverty in a lot of these countries, the animals suffer the most. People are very concerned with taking care of themselves and their family, of course, as it should be, their wives, their husbands, their children. But unfortunately, because of the poverty levels here and the amount of money that they make daily, they're not able to feed their animals or take their animals to the veterinarian. Unfortunately, the animals fall last in line, which leaves them hungry, tired, sick, and my goal with Passport Inspired is to help end some of this suffering here in these countries. Traveling around here in Mexico, I've realized that food for dogs and cats is very expensive, especially when you compare it to the salary that a normal, average local here in Mexico makes. I hope that you will join me in this fight to end suffering for all of these innocent, sweet, and beautiful lives that deserve nothing but the best in this world. They need now more than ever yours and my help. There are a ton of ways that you can join this mission. Every like on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel, even a follow on Instagram, helps support the purpose that we're here for. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Your support empowers us to help and feed more animals around the world.